Well, I had face and neck lift surgery around 6 months ago. I'm absolutely delighted with it. It took quite a while for me to decide to do it. I sort of felt that I was in good shape physically, but my face, my jowls were letting me down. So I decided and I investigated and I came up with Julian De Silva. And it's been a great experience. I have had all my questions answered. I've known exactly what to expect. The recovery from the surgery was not as bad as I thought it would be. Yes, you are uncomfortable for the first 3-4 days, but really within 2 weeks you look pretty decent. In fact, I was out after around 10 days. Yes, I did have a high collar and things like that, but I didn't feel too self-conscious. And the recovery has gone very well. It seems to go in stages, that lots happens in 5-7 days. You feel a lot of changes and then it becomes static and then things happen again. I did it under twilight anaesthesia and it was a long procedure, but still I felt fine in the evening and no hangover at all. No, it was a very, very pleasant experience. I can't remember exactly how long the surgery took. For me it was a few minutes, that's what it felt like, but I think it was several hours that I was under anaesthesia. So that was no concern for me at all. No, really, I think for me it's been very positive. There have been some uncomfortable moments. Possibly the worst one is sleeping with 3 pillows and trying to stay upright. But no, if anybody contemplating it, it's going to be uncomfortable. There's going to be times when you think, oh, what do I do? What do I look like? Is this going to be all right? But 6 months down the line, I'm smiling, and this is going to get even better. So I could highly recommend it. If somebody asked me, should I do this? I'd say, well, find out what you're letting yourself in for. Find a surgeon that you trust, that you can communicate with. Be prepared for periods when you're going to feel uncomfortable. It's not painful, but there are periods when you are uncomfortable, perhaps particularly the first few nights trying to sleep more upright and so on. But be prepared for that and know that the result is going to be nice, and it is worth it. It certainly is worth it.